Be careful with those steps.
I'm gonna need life alert, guys.
I gotta get a picture. Just imagine how dark it would be in here with no lights. Oh boy. This is spooky. And of course they're sending fog through here, which does not make it any less more scarier.
Horrible. You think two would be enough, but now there's like a dozen. Jesus.
This is great. I may actually go through this a second time, guys. I wasn't going to. It's so long, but I might try without the light. Oh, that's a scarecrow.
I wasn't even near that one and I got scared. Oh man. We gotta get out of these scarecrows. We're getting messed up.
Yep.
As you guys can tell, I get scared easily for it. Very creepy. That
Jason out here with the machete.
I did not. I'm over here puzzling. Oh man.
This is great.
I'm trying to fix my camera. This is why you always bring a brave friend.
Yep, bring a buddy. Mm-hmm. Definitely. It'd be even creepier out here alone.
I don't think I could do it. Oh my God, what
Oh, that's great. Spooky scarecrows. Once we get in that dark part, it's spooky. Yeah, it's even spooky without the light. Like I almost can't see a thing in here. I think I go straight. I gotta turn the light on a minute. Yep. Ooh, spooky guys. Oh, I'm getting off path a little bit. Yeah, it is darking out here. Whoa. Spooky people jumping out all over. You gotta be careful with your footing. Oh, here's the creepy part with the dolls. I'm gonna take the light because I want to take a few pictures.